In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily fix the blue screen problem here on your Grundig TV. Okay, for the first, what you can try to do is that we go and fully unplug the TV. So sometimes it helps when we unplug or unplug the power supply of the TV, and then you wait like 5 minutes and you can plug it in again. This is to fully reset your TV, and sometimes this helps. What we also can try to do is that we go here into the menu button or the home button. So then we get here into the settings. And here in the settings, go all the way to the right until we get here into the setup settings. And now we have like here the blue screen. And here make sure that you turn the blue screen off. So this is really important. Okay, and if you don't have the setting, then here go on your picture settings. And now here for this, it is really important that you select like the personal picture settings or picture mode, or like the custom picture mode. But if you have this selected, then you can try to go to standard or mild, and sometimes the problem is fixed. Okay, what we can try to do here is that we go back again and and here in the settings, on the picture settings, we can also change like the color, and sometimes this helps to fix this problem here with the blue screen, or like the color temp. Don't make this on cold, make it on warm or something. Warm is orange or like red colors, and here you can try to select this. Okay, then I go back here now, and what we also can try to do if we have this setting is that we fully try to reset the picture mode settings, and sometimes this also helps, and after that your blue screen should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.